What's going on, you guys? This is Drew Drives, the Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2021 BMW X3 M40i. This vehicle is powered by a 3-liter turbocharged inline 6-cylinder with 382 horsepower, 365 pound-feet of torque, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle can also do a 0 to 60 in approximately 4.5 seconds. The X3 M40i is a very, very fun variant of the X3 and a more affordable version if you can't get the X3M. I mean, obviously they don't make the X3 M40i or X3M anymore, but like these are great pre-owned vehicles, such as this one, 2021 model. Really, really nice. You have the M Sport steering wheel, M badge on the bottom. You have heated steering wheel, paddle shifters. Also have the nice iDrive 7 gauge cluster and iDrive 7 screen. You have nice carbon fiber interior trim, heated seats and ventilated seats. Reverse camera with 360 view. So as you guys know, I own a 2021 M3 and BMW M3, and I used to have my family used to have a 2020 BMW X3M. So very, very familiar interior in here to me. You have leather seats. You have Harman Kardon sound system. This one's pretty well equipped. You also have a nice wireless charging tray. Here's the key fob with the M colors. You have the galvanic controls. Or actually, I don't know if this, so you do have galvanic controls, meaning like these buttons are all like made of metal and not like plastic, which is really, really nice. And you also have a panoramic sunroof. But let's walk around this car and see what it looks like. This one's finished in black sapphire metallic. You have beautiful wheels. You have the red M Performance brakes as well. You have full LED headlights. You also have really nice black kidney grills. This one's a really, really good looking X3 M40, that's for sure. I'm gonna go unlock the car real quick. Here are the rear seats. You also have dual outlet exhausts, and it also says M40i on the back. So one thing I miss is BMW on the M Performance models and not full M cars used to have like the platinum looking colored badges, but now it's back to plastic, silver plastic. So I wish they still kept these because they look really high quality. And here's the trunk. This one's in really good shape too. 2021 model, 60,000 miles. Paint looks amazing. This is a great example of a pre-owned X3 M40. This is the pre-facelift model, by the way. They facelifted in 2023, I believe. Yeah, it was roughly 2023. Oh no, it was 2023. But yeah, great car. And you also have a head-up display in this vehicle. But let's get this car on the road and see how it drives. You also have Sport Plus. So I made a video on the 2024 X3 M40i, I think like 7 or 8 months ago, and that was a pretty popular video. I personally preferred this generation of the X3 over the new one. I think it looks a lot better. And I like the way the X3 M40 looks over the X3 M50. They got rid of the M40i, as I mentioned, and now it's like a new moniker. It's called X3 M50. But again, since I prefer this generation of the X3 over the outgoing one, I like this a lot better. Yeah, these are, as I mentioned, these are just really, really fun cars. I think it's like the little cover in the back that's shuffling around. Sorry about that. Look at that acceleration. That is fantastic. Here's the thing with these M Performance models. You don't even need to get the full M variant of many BMWs, because these M Lite models do a great job. They have fantastic performance, great handling, and they're a lot more affordable, right? Very, very smooth ride. And I love the wireless charging placement in this car. I wish my car had that too. Like in my car, I have like a little cubby to put my phone, but it doesn't have the wireless charger. The wireless charger in my car is in the center console, which is so dumb. Like, I don't know why not all the BMWs have it over there, because it's perfect. It's right in front of the cup holders. You can grab your phone, you know, like it's kind of frustrating how not all the BMWs have it over there, because it's like great. Yeah, overall this car just feels really, really good to drive. Great cornering. Let's just put it back in the normal sport mode. Standard sport. Overall, great 2021 BMW X3 M40i. Absolute blast to drive, and this is a great pre-owned BMW if you're looking for a fun SUV to get around in every day. But thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for new, certified pre-owned or pre-owned BMW products.